Ojibo. Please, ma, Abi Papa, send me I again. You see, now be my empire.
You say Ojibo. Maybe.
Now be my empire.
No, you not tell me say Ojibo.
You say yes, you say now be empire.
Okay, maybe.
Yes. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, my empire.
Mais non.
Okay. Like when I'm on a video call. When I'm on a video call. When I open camera. When I'm on a video call. When I'm on a video call. When I put out for video. Barry J. Explain to us why you call us this morning. Because now you call me.
No, you say you want me to talk my own side of the story.
Okay. For the Juju place, so.
Me I talk my own side of the story.
Okay. Okay. My empire. You mute or you mute. We not dey hear you. My empire. Pardon, sir.
Oh, why you mute?
Pas my menuta.
You not even know say you mute.
He mute, but their net, but the years that they talk.
They're not the years. You say Nigerian network, sir.
Feels a little go. The bad that I put for phone, so.
Wow.
Milan, I see you. The bad that I put for phone, so. Pardon, sir. I know they hear them.
Una mute.
I know they hear them.
Everything they fine.
Well,
Good afternoon, sir.
Domo,
Good morning, sir.
but my menuta, pardon.
We're mute.
Pas mute, my menipata.
Me his son help now. His son for you help now.
Glad I said that one on the ass.
The day as now they talk to me since now. I'm not on the talk.
Well, paper, Joanna.
The day as
If you want to understand all this our internet level, you as the young person, you go help her. You can't drop anything, man. I be want to request again. Una network dey bad. Joanna, where don't they go almost
now his son supposed to help him because not to understand to come out and from you know if you understand those talk.
I don't understand. I just tired. Power tap, guys, and share the live stream. So congratulations to me. Though we are going to, I'm going to come out again later after this to celebrate it. It's not easy. 10 years on live stream. It's not easy. Upon all the dragging, I am still standing strong. Not easy now. 10 years. 10 years on live stream, not the beans. So we are going to have another celebration tonight. Then from tomorrow, the kind of people that will be here for this platform will go the wrong. Hello? Hello?
Live video.
Bros.
Now so now because you got tired for
Pardon, when you have a video, tu vois dans de moi une vidéo de woman explain aurait. Tu vois.
when you wait the camera.
No, you can't put on my yo.
Domo ça, va talk by langue ça. Domo ça. Domo ça.
Okay.
Yaro are you?
Domo ça.
When I don't go to boy door. ekenana una gwe gbegun ze matano smo bo we borana baba na ni ana egwe na ya gi bi ye yi ze na bi ya mo yi me o ina wo ma o te ye ze wo he boba na money bono do i report matana o mona na gwa kana na ma ye kwen ezoge.
Yes.
No, I don't want it when I get Uda imitate na me you go be na uda money we don't have to lima the nedo o ke ka bo wa mu mejo
No more, sir.
ba me na uda we bo ba igun no ba we you yeah wanna board wa bo die do na no iya ti o ma monare emi na wo boy iwe oni uda bisan yagma iye na me ka we boba I'm one of the most the oba Benin oba eme o de do mi e gba ya ka mo fi o pari ne mo yi ori gbegun aze ona o no gbe yo gbere iye na me won go yi baba na nya oge ni ka no gbe ama gani yewo
Orema.
money wo
By the day. Where is Mommy 3D? Orema.
I get you.
I don't know, sir.
Why I get you?
Only.
where that
Il part rien où? Donne-moi ça. Abeg, oh, where Mommy 3D? Mona better for a powerful.
proceed on
Na
the
carry matter go give. Epa, when you get data, you will fall. Epa not get data. When you get data, you will fall. Pa. Mommy 3D, tell your husband people, make a bad data for a Jima phone. Epa for the crack. Make a bad data put make for send it out to us. A Jima not get internet. A Jima not get internet for phone. What the data is phone in your if na 10,000 naira o mo na buy put more for start e pa no fit go see the buy data put for your phone ira me domo sa when you dey data your phone when you dey data your phone when you dey data when you dey data your phone
okay ni ade data network no network no
okay
we do bukani you go na tiezo we no really na so network no
it talk to you
when we more area ma we are not just residing in that city of Benin when have a legbo keseke maye
okay
you no man, I no fit judge my own. Man, fit judge my own side of the story now.
He said if you want that, he said if you want the story, you
we don't already enter life now. We don't already enter life.
Wait, he said if you want that story, you will pay the money with the take home. Summons you. You will pay.
You cannot judge without answering that case.
You first pay the money first, so that they summons you. Even at 50,000, they take the money and the husband they summons you. Now that 50,000, you got him answer the juju like that. So you first pay the money first. Epa, how much they take summons Barry J? How much they take summons
150 no.
Okay. You say now 150,000.
Now 150,000 no audio to.
Okay. You say now 150,000. So now 150,000 when you cut your answer juju. Before you call the explain.
Now the girl people for before she can start to explain this.
Okay, Barijo.
And we are just putting it as a form of respect because as it is now. Otherwise, as the way where the get delay all that day that she's supposed to pay some fine. But however, let's just forget and forgive of that aspect. But
That's
then
fine.
yes,
If I allow for that fine, allow for
so
that fine, no forgive am.
ikana
But Jay, what time you want to
igwi
do the
yoni
part?
debodi wa debodi wa seri yoni wori no kunezo owa kunezo ni banana so nuda odona na ni oge ba me ba we so pon no to ri wo na gbagba lo to yi you know.
Okay, with that I not pay 150,000 now. We know we'll talk. Oh, why?
No.
Okay, if I not pay 150,000 now, we know we'll talk.
Okay.
No, if you talk, I know if you talk my whole side of the story.
No, that the money. Unless you pay that money when it takes from you. That's what it be everywhere.
Barry J.
They hear
Normally, for this aspect we party toss, so that's what it be. If they use 50,000 naira, they bring Juju paper for you. You go use 50,000 naira to answer. Except, say if they want swear for your enemy, you don't need to go pay again. And that one be the issue.
At all.
You don't need to pay again. But as it be like this, so. And 150,000, then they take the answer Juju. Then they take some more sound. The part not go lie. Because the part know the gravity of what it means for him to lie. Because now when he has been serving that Juju for 35 years. So he cannot come here now to lie that now 150 and not be 150 they take column. You understand? So he cannot come here to lie. So a part already thought say 150. If you don't pay the 150 now, then a part will come say wetin happen. You now will come get the right to judge your own side of the story. Me for my own case Barry J, I foresee me you pay.
A video ni message the girl.
You know where? I talk about Igwe. I foresee me you pay the money. If you don't pay the money, then you can't explain your own paper. 150,000, not be you don't see or not be go make you broke. You understand? As it don't need Juju like this, so no Juju is small. Some people go to say work. Juju not they work and pray. Some people they Juju not go buy them, but they go call they give them one or two stress for front. And they plan for something, not go they work. Not be because of mommy 3D one pay ammo, and because of the part where you don't know before when they carry your matter go give wasting the spiritual person. Because ordinary person not fit they do this kind of thing when they do so. Me, I be traditional man too, and I know what it means when they bring you to this kind of level. Give what belongs to Caesar, and what belongs to God. Now this one is Caesar.
Exactly.
You have to give what belongs to Caesar. Understand? Since a passing 150, you say now 150.
Okay, as me I don't understand. So say we without the money now, person we don't already climb this up now. We not fit talk. I not get what I want to talk for now.
Okay, that means you know what pay now, Nabi.
Because we don't already climb up now. You say I must pay the money now before we could talk. Okay, what is the need to climb up?
No, the need to climb up is that you know why you come in my entire life.
Yes.
I don't want to make you be saying that let me they call me. You understand? That's why when you call me today now, I still obey you. Come on live stream.
But then not tell me say if I climb up, I must pay money before I climb up. If I not climb up.
The paper what they set up for you.
You be small Pikin. You don't know what they happen for where don't be Nigeria they born you.
I know they do Juju.
You don't understand.
Oh, why? Me know they do Juju.
If you know they do,
I never gone to doctor before.
If they know they do, good. Now as it is now, this one make you to know understand native doctor now and Juju. What will they do for Juju? Now they tell you so. I'm an African man. Steadily. As I'm talking to you, I not be small Pikin. Nobody know they take me, they carry my word, they go here, go there. If you are ready to pay the money now, you should not pay. If you don't want to pay the money, leave market for trader. That is just what I'm generally concerned because I don't know you before, you don't know me before. It is your matter they plot before me. That is why I want to save you out of what comes out of your mouth. If actually it's true or false. That is what I'm concerned. I don't know whether they're going to do, they're going to think that I don't care. So when you make the correct your matter, come meet me for Juju. That is why I have to invite you. By inviting you, say your matter there with me for Juju. It's not a cry to me, please. So that day we waited, of which we don't notify you. After our departure, everybody don't come up for you before you come enter line. They thought say excuse me, may they still give you another chance. If you are ready to answer this case now, you answer, because we have been waiting. We have spent almost 2 hours plus here now, waiting for you to hear from yourself. If you know you can answer the case now, you answer. If you don't want to answer, carry on. I hear you.
Epa, here with the 2-0, 115. Here with the 2-0. Here with the 2-0. Here with the 2-0.
I want a Benny Mary again. A Benny again. Yeah, Mamma, a better cara. You know, what is there? Oh, you know, foul play. Make it, you go, Canadian Bob.
Hello?
Where a bomb nine.
You
don't know who the servant. So, if at all, as I'm saying, no, with the bottom of my. Now, for me, ever since, nobody has ever. Christian Yagman was 35 years of service as a chief priest in Bidikidon. In my year, my yogi there. So, based on my truth.
I hear you.
My whole candidate verse. You understand? My whole candidate verse. Me go for see me you pay you 91. Now 91 euro. How much is 150k, my people? How much is 150k now in Nigerian currency? If you convert that to euro now, how much you go? That's 91 euro now. 91 or 92 euros. You not go change your name. You understand? Give her the money.
Why not vessel? That kind of money, I not pay that kind of money. I feel pay 50,000. Because that I know just climb up now. Just say that I just pay 150,000.
You dey crazy.
All right. Hey, how are you? All right. As you talk to say you don't fit pay, make we forget about the matter. As you say you don't want answer case for your case for Juju here.
They say that don't tell me I can't talk my side of the story. I come at me, I can't talk my side of the story. As I say, now money, no problem.
You know that side of the story when you want to talk.
They want go down.
Mama, wait the other side. Mama, she get story where she want to. But we don't take side.
Mama, wait the other side. You want to put.
If you pay money for someone.
Yes,
Mama, if you say you want swear put now person will carry Juju corner, Juju go kill.
Pay money, pay your summer fee.
That mama when they talk for the background, road that people. Now road that people now Juju go kill for there. Which kind of be that one say one swear put who you dey use sweat the name?
You go get your money. You will get your message. It will never dry.
Yes. I don't cause a pa. Now the person where they talk for background now cause not be a pa.
Yes, we also the call. Make God punish your mouth.
They want swear put. Who shall be swear? They talk. They tell say they want swear put. Which kind nonsense be that one? Now it's so call me say me I climb up, me I can't talk. Now he call me that day before yesterday say I'll climb up. Now I send you message say me I climb up, me I can't talk side of my story. I climb up, me I can't talk side of my story. Begin they tell me say you want go swear Juju, you want go swear Juju. Me I go pay 150,000. You tell me say I must pay 150,000 before I climb up. Now if someone say me I climb up. Come be like say na hungry. I been na money now they find for Nigeria when I want to eat. I beg you. Even that even get the money, you can't force me to bring money come outside. Money where you not give me my own. Now you want to force me to bring come outside. You not give me money my hold. You can't force me. You not give me money my hold. Just they force me say bring money, bring money, bring. Well, come be like say they hungry now. Yeah. Day before yesterday, now your son sent me. Now your son called me, say me say okay, may I climb up, may I can't toss out of my story. I can't say no problem. I contact no day. Can't tell me say they do birthday on Monday. Say now today. I don't tell me say now 150. Even that even get the money, self. I not go even pay. You not go force me to pay the money like that.
Barry J.
I dey hear you.
See, my sister, may I tell you one thing? Calm down, no. See, calm down, no. You get why they tell me you calm down. If you get issue with Rhoda, make it be you and a Rhoda and I get that issue. That Edioma, so we not say that they tell Juju not get level. Juju not get level.
I know it's so, but I know Jamie, no, a brother, no, not so. I know it's so.
Calm down. People they talk say Juju not get level. Juju not get level. That not me say because you believe in God. May you see motor they come for high speed. May you stop for road. Say you not go buy or say because you believe in God oh. And they make parable for you now, my sister.
I understand.
Not let anybody deceive you, may you not pay that money. Except say that your mind for come oh. But me, I for love because you be Uromi. My mom na from Uromi. So partially you are my sister. I not your sister where you do the key in any way.
No, Juju not even kill myself. No,
they listen. For where my mom for come, for a fandion, I not go feel out you know feel out me. For where my mom for come, for Uromi. I don't know about other Esan, but for where my mom for come, there's person who's a bit speaking where I know the traditions and customs of my mother. But my mother is from there. My mother is from Uromi. Go, not be say my mom, papa, mama from Uromi. So I know what's in me for you to say they bring Juju paper for you. Forget what it be 100 euro. Now when you pay your money, you can't explain. We go they listen to their conclusion before we know what to do. The man not there now. That man not they look me say I be like his son. Let me put it that way. It always they also ask me say I see the matter. The man they see they bring issues suggestions. Go say me cause see the issue like this. I see tell them a pass IP. My sister, me oh, I for like make you pay this money because the Bible say give what belongs to Caesar and what belongs to God. All these people they like not pay, so they're not be the.
No, I don't they look comment section. Just say just be like say na force.
They give Juju paper oh. If they want,
it just be like say na force. They force me say you can't pay this money. The person where they talk for background say you must pay. No, you can't. The person cannot force me to go and pay money.
Leave the people for the background. Consider the pa. Will not be small Pikin. Will still be like your own father. Wait they with you there. All those people in the background, so you not get issue already. So you cannot expect them to tell you sweet words or make you tell them sweet words. You not already get issue already. But you see that it don't so. He said he don't deserve that to do for 35 years. And he not go want do kurukere. He not go fit collect 150,000 from the Rhoda. May he come collect 50,000 from you. He already bias already from there. I know what I am saying. Take this thing from me, my sister. Apart from saying you not be Esan, if you be Yoruba, you be Igbo, you be. I know they do sentiment for year. The reason why I put my mom on yours now, maybe for no say my mom not from your sister, not be say at the fake am. Juju not get level, he get level. If you not offend Juju, they go swear Juju for you. No level. If you offend Juju get level. Hell. Now that time you go know say Juju get level. Because people they will believe in that Juju. So it's left for you. But for me, oh, me go for see me you pay that. Because not be on you take the fees, it's all this way. 100 euro not get wetin wan comot for your body. If you even reach the 100 euro, but I know say no reach, but more you call am 100 euro. If na me be you sef, you send the 100 euro go give them. The remaining change, make dem take buy drink for them. Now they can't talk the issue. I know wetin I dey talk. Don't let anybody deceive you. Say now pay, now pay. These are these people wey dey talk not pay. So not be there. They go somewhere for Juju. Some of these people they talk say not pay. If not, there's someone for Juju. They don't piss for pants.
No, me not even dey look comment sef.
If you reach another person talk, they'll come and they do say that they get mad pass. Make it be the yourself. Me, you see how all of them they go piss for pants. So me go for say make we bring them back. Make we ask for the account number. Make you give them. It's not gonna let me do. It's not gonna let me do now. I wish you go for let me do. Me now me go pay the money for you. But not be me get bring the Juju paper for. It's not gonna let me do. I swear to God. I wish na another thing I go pay for you. But this one na Juju, you know let me do. You understand? I don't hear they talk oh. My moderator wanna still bring from few people up. I don't hear they talk. TikTok Juju, TikTok. Don't mail those people. Hey. Juju they work or they work. According to Ghana people, he's working. He's working.
Hello, sister. Uncle, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Uncle, today na the first day when I dey climb your live video. But waiting, I want to tell this sister. Wait you they tell her na better advice. So you don't understand. Now better advice. Now you they tell her they not really they pay for person. If not, people still they when go still send the money give and nana. Make you try pay the money so that you go explain. You go come explain your own side of the story. The man go come know how to judge him. If you even tell them say okay, more of no arrest, you don't understand. Just try send them the money. No reason say he rich or maybe the price is too go up. You don't understand. Just try pay the money. Give them so that they go judge this case.
I know it's not the talk, but
Now truth you they tell them for real.
all these Jay-Z, all these children who they born 2000, 2001, they don't know
If you
anything
dey
about
do
all
comment
these things.
section, fake people now they full comment section pass. You don't understand.
They do comment
Just close
section.
eye, pay the
Comment
money.
section, they put
May
different
may
problem.
you for explain. Because they pass your bag go swear, e no good though. Now truth uncle really they tell you they say for e get one of our music, he say if you use stubborn head swear juju go use stubborn head kill you. You don't understand? Na Igbo music, you don't
So
understand?
all those people when they
So
tell them say, may not pay, may not pay, may not pay. If you say just now, they go wrong.
not be
If
lie,
you say,
not be all advice that they look. Uncle they tell you na real word uncle they tell you this money. Just pay the money because they're not the help person pay money when they take some more. You don't
I
understand?
said, me too, that's what I will say. And
You
besides,
don't
the people there, they don't want her to pay this money.
Uncle,
That's why
thank
they are
you.
doing all these
She
things
they
like
look
this. So
up.
that make
People
them
they
for
call
fit
her for
swear
back.
wetin they won't
You know,
swear, it go affect her. That's why they are doing this. But I beg, Mama, we should just try so that you can explain your own part. Everybody will know. Because the people, that woman that is talking there, they don't want you to pay this money. That's why they are throwing insults at you. They don't want you to pay this money so that they can do what they want to do. But we no go agree for them. We'll just settle all these things.
if you see what you do, they do for be for here. Not be your eye, you take pay that money. I'm not
Of
telling the truth
course.
as my own sister. Go
no
pay.
game at all.
Go
If
pay.
the girl can't pay the money, they won't give the girl the money back again before you go judge.
I don't understand. Who be that one? Who they talk
They're
to?
not gonna give am. They're not gonna give am the
Wait,
money
go
back.
ahead.
Brother Noje, good afternoon, sir. I greet you, bro. Abeg, thank you for everything you have been doing on this TikTok, okay? God will bless you.
Amen.
And may the ancestors of your land bless you.
Amen.
Sometimes people no dey like truth. You understand? I dey here since they lis ten to una. My first time to climb up here. And that sister na from Esan, me too, I'm from Esan. I'm from Uromi, from I'm from Eboji, sister. Okay? I'm supposed to speak Esan, but I will speak broken to explain Juju matter for you, okay? that man not being be the juju. That man they serve that juju, okay? And if person summon person for juju for shura, any shura at all, the money where the person takes summon, 9 you self go still pay. You understand? You supposed to answer someone when they summon you before you go talk. Without so, that chief prince, that old hen, will not listen to you. You understand? If he listen to you, it's like he dey cheat that juju because Rhoda pay 150,000 naira. You also supposed to pay 150,000 naira before the man will listen to you. Sister, for me, I will advise you to answer that man, please. Okay? When I will go. You know why?
No. Not be say to answer the man. You be like say that they force me or whatever. They force me. I dey on call now. They call.
Nobody they force you, sister. I dey here since they listen to you. Okay.
Maybe the trap what they set for you. Maybe
yes.
Maybe for go fuck you up. You know what I understand. You don't know the way they have.
Even the way that people say they talk, your snap for themselves. You go no say body they pepper them. Barry J.
No,
Barry J. Wait. Barry J. Wait. Because of the way those people say they talk for themselves, I go say may you go do wife now. So because maybe they comment us now, so not pay. But the way those people say they talk for theirs now, I go want me you just close and make you do and make you just do your own part. You understand? You understand, Barry J?
Okay, so don't tell me say okay. If I climb up, I must pay 150.
Yes, you know the paper with I just say they send you paper.
Yeah, they send me paper. They talk of 150,000 because me not just bother.
Okay, since they send you paper and they don't know, they don't tell you before say you go pay. You suppose don't know say you go pay.
I don't know whether if I climb up. Like
okay. Okay, your people not there, ba?
No, my people not go.
Okay. Not be say your fault. You don't know anything about all those juju. Not be everybody know anything about juju. Not
about all those things.
Everybody don't know anything about juju.
Not everybody know anything about juju. Not everybody they go juju every time. Yes. No, people there Esan now. People wanted for that side they come
Benin. Say you never pay and I thought to no J. You go tell her the day when you go see because you know maybe you not find the money.
Maybe she not get now. We not the same she not get one.
They don't tell me say if I climb up I must pay money.
No, Barry J. As they don't write time for that. This.
Me tell you, Barry J. Listen carefully. Barry J.
I hear you.
No one more waste much time. If you go pay now, me will contact that man. That man they listen to me. Oh, forget say na old man. Now man will see they listen to me. If I call and I go, she tell me say no problem. We will beg am. If I sorry, you understand? They will continue. I know what they do. Now let people wait just the people from 1980 down. They go understand me. All these Gen Z people, so they're not going to understand me. I'm not going to blame them because why?
Okay, bros, I know. What to make them even climb up or the 10? Where be say they walk? What of me come there around that or the 10? Who I not go walk before? I for not climb up to.
Jay, all those ones are long to talk. What you need now for you to pay the money? They may you they explain to the general public. May we they listen to you. May a pass the year, a pass of the year you that time. You not get how they want to do and give me the bend the issue. They not feel better. That's why the thing there on social media. Leave explanation. I fit tell you since if now wait now if you pay. Say now another thing say maybe person can't tell you for years say but they owe me money not pay me. I for not pay since.
No.
That's why I get foundation. If I not want to take from my foundation money, say my fan say a no. I go take from my personal money give you me to pay. That is it. That's the truth. So, 91 euro, 64 cents, that be 150,000. It's not going to come off for your body. But if you not get, no problem. Nobody's going to mock you. Now, Europe, all of us, they pay bills, not be small Pikin. Not a
not be the money not be the problem. The money not be the problem. But it just be like saying that the money be their problem.
No, not be.
Come like say they force me say my money me I call carry account. No, be like say na force. I no be small people they go.
Not use that word. That man have to dey watch this life. You go be like say the true man dey give that man.
No, I know he saw the man. Now the people, now other people with the background. Now they
insult them, other people now.
No, I know they saw the man. I know they saw that man. I darling man. I the other people now they insult.
But the man they feel say you they insult.
No, I know if he saw that man. That man like my grandfather, not my father, grandfather.
Okay, so what are we saying now? What you call the talk now? Show me you pay the money, no for continue. You're not paying this money for Rhoda's family. You dey pay am to take aside the juju with the for summon you. The man don't want shop cost. You understand? The man don't want shop cost. The man don't want go do buy something. That's why. So if you know you have the money, let's bring these people in again so that you pay.
Okay, fine, no problem, but I will still climb up, but I get what I want to do now. I will still climb up, as I say, because this thing will be say, as I say, road that no one respect itself. I get what I want to do now. Now see here for social media, no problem. I call this live video.
Okay, now I don't understand. Now you want to go down and go pray, I be out.
I know they not be evil. No, I get what I want to do now. I get what I want to do. As I say, road that, as I say, road that no one rest or waiting using man tell me. As I say, no one rest. I know what I want to do now. You go see here for social media.
Okay, but
person say make quiet. Just say person they fear. Now maybe if go here and say mama the police station. I'll go arrest mama to where for inside cell.
I want to talk my own. If we are not doing today, I not from any day, anytime. I not go dey interested for this particular matter.
We don't even leave the matter self. You know even concern me now. His son self. Now the native doctor Pikin even tell me and the native doctor Pikin talk. Now you come tell me say okay, may I talk my side of the story. That was on Monday. When I contact you, come tell me say they do birthday. Say okay, today.
Let me talk so now. If it not happen this morning, both you and the other, more not call me for this kind of issue again, no. Because I'm not giving one error. Make it not be say Rhoda call me the other day and you call me today and answer, you now make me on this life. I don't satisfy on that too. If you not do this issue today, because I get a lot of topics for ground where I treat. If I not do this thing today, not come coming tomorrow say, hey, we're not ready, we are going back for the live stream. Oh. Agreement is an agreement. You see that
okay,
you pay
no problem.
Either you pay the money now. Either you pay the money now, we'll talk and once and for all, or I not get chance for this issue again. Now only what I fit tell you that one. See that you pay the 150,000 now. They will tell the man may come up. Now we just treat time today. Maybe we forget about. Maybe for know how the matter take end. Because at the end of the day, me myself know the way the matter what they end. Me already know. I don't want to talk. But if after today, go read the road that I'm not interested again. Completely not stress man. Because they use and stress me. Because the truth of the matter is that no one error. I not go get for inside all these things. So that's it. Even for example, now say carry road that go on that place. They give road that the thing. Road that get right to send and give this man. The native doctor will call them for that side. I explain to them. Say now if first someone you need to first come aside you. And the native doctor from those areas will be really native doctor. They will understand that because why? If there's some more person, the person no answer. You can't go bring another juju paper for the person who come someone they themselves not go like now. So anything you want to do now, you have to be considerate. There's not small. Now they tell they work out for this life, may they not they fall. But people deal with the pray fall. People now with some of them when they tell you say not pay, your boss they don't even love you. You try to talk and reach.
No, I'm not be small people person go they talk say do this thing. Now what it come from my mind now they do.
Okay.
No, nobody. Even the person even tell me say do like this. If not come from my mind, I know they do.
No problem.
I'm not be small people. I be 30 something years.
whenever the thing will come from your mind, after today, I'm not interested again.
I understand. Now they disturb me for this issue. Say, come talk your side of the story. This issue, self, we not today. Not be waiting I carry put for her. Everybody get what they reason. All those things.
You for pay now.
I don't fear all those kind. Whether juju or no, I don't fear all those juju because I don't do anything bad. What I want fear juju for?
Then you for pay. Now so they say do. As I been, I not do anything bad. There's someone for juju. I go answer. I go explain my outside. I go pay the money when the person take consumers me. I will explain my outside to the man. Then you not get problem again. If they can't go ahead, do you anything, not go work. Because you obey the juju, you pay, you explain to them. But this one so, no problem. Maybe get to use body wage. That's why I talk my own rich.
I don't hear now. Okay, may I call the man the son.
You want to pay the money now?
And I won't call the man son now.
May you pay the money. Now that one year. Because after if you come down now say if you come down now say you not give me better now maybe just they go I go do one thing for us just now. Because if I reach us, I go relax. Because today I get party again. Today that make me 10 years when I begin to do this good work when I do so. Now you make me come alive this morning. So if you say make I wait now, may you call the man son, may you pay your 150,000. I dare you the way for you, no problem.
Okay, no problem. May I call them. Whether they don't even come up for there, we don't even know. Whether they don't come up for there.
Call them now. Call them now, may you give me feedback now.
Whether they don't even come up for there now, we never even know.
Call them now. Call them now. You go and talk with him.
Okay, Maton, happy birthday. Long life and prosperity. Happy birthday. More money in your account. Go, Joe. Saba de bawe we see anu saba bege mo saba de bawe so a lady in the ba we no la wo e bonane amu ande na we na yaku one of the oldest bovedo no after I was ba
must speak pidgin English made for
this our sister Abel if you still there FIP this place where they go some more so now one of the oldest shrine for Benin na be that place after I was one bar like that place and that place if you buy person they operate like ayelala aye boni yaku awago
that is me we say me that is me no know
that juju not be ordinary juju that one a very tele juju for Benin one know a very strong juju after I was one bar like that place because now our bar night get house on bar this one you know we measure our bars now one I even just small I even just know why I don't hear about that. Our shrine, our no, I cool. I beg my beautiful sister. May you go pay your money. If you know they're guilty, when they even swear the juju go to whosoever that they guilty. Thank you, brother Frank. Where's the kakabo? I beg my darling sister. If not they tell juju the children they play, but this particular one, where they bring also plus. I was somebody the other take out the joke. I beg my darling, go and just answer the place. If you answer them, you know they're guilty. At least the juju go vindicate you. But if you can't ignore, say you know go answer. Na very big disrespect. And that should right where they tell you so. Me, March 7 now the clock 52. Since I day small, I don't hear that juju. That juju na one of the powerful juju for Benin. After I was some ban that juju, I don't say the red juju no strong go. Because we don't even they hear that juju before Ayelala come my that time. Our no Ayaku, my darling sister, try and pay the summons money so that they will call both of you. You will judge your own, and the one that summons you will also judge your own. Whosoever that guilty, it will go. Maybe now after judging, they feel if you settle now without sorry for anybody, you not gonna harm anybody. They go let your judge go your way because they're bunny. Not be you they play for Benin. After I was some bad I said, like that juju. Thank you very much, my viewers. And no get where say.
Thank you.
Happy birthday once again. Bye bye. Moderator, Drop me a call.
If I no game at on one.
Yeah, oh.
If I don't, if I yesterday me cost person for your live video where they want donate for.
We do donation yesterday. No?